Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I received another box from Klever Beauty Box. This is Clever with a K, and I believe you've been expecting me. Honestly, I was not expecting this, so I did not get an email from the company. In the past, they have sent me an email saying they're going to send me a box. They sent me 3 boxes 3 months in a row, and also Janet, who is a subscriber, she lives in Hawaii, she sent me 3 months as well, and they came at the same time. So I have several different videos about this company. This is Asian Beauty and Asian Indie Beauty brands, and it is $29 a month, and I believe that includes the shipping and everything. And I do have a code for 10% off. I think it's CATS1, but I'll have it in the description below with the website, okay? So let's see what it looks like. It comes in an outer bubble mailer, and then it's a really nice box. And when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. It's wrapped nicely, and it says surprise. Really pretty color in there. And it says, are you ready? And let's see what's in there. Because like I said, I didn't know I was getting this. It doesn't come with a card that explains anything. And all right, now this, I've already had these items before, but it looks like there might be some different colors here. So if y'all remember, I did get this. It's so cute. I'm using it right now. It's a sponge, and in this cute little holder. The holder doesn't have the face on it. It's just like a little Humpty Dumpty little silicone. So it keeps your sponge off your counter. It keeps it fresh. I actually have it in a cabinet on a shelf, and that way it doesn't roll around. So I like that. That's very nice. And then we have, this is iMagic Professional Cosmetics. And see, most everything is shrink wrapped. I might have to unwrap it and come back. Let me see what else. Yeah, let me do that. All right, I'm back, y'all. Everything is, not everything, but most things are wrapped pretty nice, which is really nice. So this is a gel eyeliner that's waterproof. And it has a brush. Now, it has a sticker on it where it opens, and I didn't see that. Okay, I was able to get that open quickly. This is nice if you like to use a liner like this. I haven't used a liner like this in a long time. Really pretty packaging, but it is a little pot. And then it comes with this cute little brush. So this is the brush, and it opens up, and what you do is you'll have to wet that little pot, and then you can put your eyeliner on. Super cute, and great for, really precise, and it fits nicely in that box. And we have XPTTEE. And then it's, some words are not, really English, but this is a lengthening, lasting eyelash to cream is what it says. This is a mascara, a strong, black, abundant, long roll mascara is what it says. And this is the packaging for that. And I actually am using this right now. And it's all right. It's like a good everyday. It's not my favorite mascara, but it's nice to get it. And then we have this. It's got a little smashed up. Usually everything here is packaged really well. This was a little smashed. This is Mini Star Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter. It's very beautiful, y'all. Very beautiful. Look at that packaging. Isn't that pretty? And it's very elegant looking. And there is your highlighter. And a little goes a long way, what I remember on this. Yeah, there, I put a little bit on. With that, it's a big giant doe foot. And then it blends nicely. See that? It's just really pretty. I like that packaging. And then we have, this is, oh, this is La Shava Rose Essence. This is a liquid blush. This I remember is very pretty. I can get it open. Okay. See how pretty that is. Very pretty packaging. Now that's a bit too orangey for me. I did put some on before, y'all, and it was quite, a little goes a long way. This might be what I'm remembering more. I'm just gonna put on just a dot. It's orangey and it really blends. See, it's very strong. And I mean, that was just, you saw how little I did. If you want this for a blush, I don't know how little you're gonna use, because it's really, I'm blending this out and it's too strong. So I'm not really sure about this. It's very beautiful. It looks like a name brand packaging. Very pretty. And we have a Derol brand. I've seen this brand before. This is a brow wax pencil. And let's see what this one looks like. I don't really remember this one. Okay. Oh yeah, I do remember it now that I see it. This is just a clear brow wax. And then the other side is a nice brush. I don't know if I got this one now that I'm thinking about it. I might have got something a little bit different, but that's very nice. I like that. I do like a brow wax. I don't put anything, I don't put color on my eyes. So I do sometimes use a brow wax to, you know, if I have the 90-year-old man eyebrows when I get up, it happens sometimes. And then I would be able to brush them, put the wax on and then brush them. I like that. I like that. And I believe they do promise you 8 products in this. And I believe, from what I've seen, you always get a palette of some sort. I've gotten face palettes and I've gotten eyeshadow palettes. This is beautiful packaging. This is the brand Poudiere, which I have several things by that brand, and they're very pretty lippies, and I think blushes as well. So does it tell me the color? I don't see a color name. Oops, I just lost my nail. Let's see, I think I have this right here with me. Okay, this is what we have. It's very pretty. See, I already have this. Is that the same color? It might be a little bit different color. It does, oh yeah, no, it says it's number 9, same color. So this is the one that I'm using already, and I do like it. It's pretty packaging, isn't it? Little stars and moons and things on it. And it's a doe foot again, and I'll put it right here. This is a lippy, so this is a little bit different. It's just a really beautiful, this is a beautiful mauve. I think this color goes with a lot of skin tones. So that's very pretty. I like that. And I've been using it. It's very nice. So I'm not going to open this one, and might put that in a future giveaway. And then this came with a palette, an eyeshadow palette. This is the Dream Meteor Break Vision Boundary Dream Meteor palette. I have it started opening already because I have it, you know, me, I am challenged with opening things. And it is called the New Tutti Frutti. And it is very pretty. I think these colors are really nice for fall. And it opens on the side. It opens like this, which is sort of cool. So let's swatch it. I did swatch it in the video where I got this. I think this was a box that I must have gotten from Janet. But there's no color names. Just gonna do the best we can. And I don't have anything to wipe my hands with, so we'll just do the best we can. But these are nice fall colors, I think. You can use it, well, I think you could use these different times a year too. I love that green. That green is really pretty. Some of these are, I don't think you can see these lighter ones, but they're nice for bases and things like that. So that is that Dream Meteor. And thank you very much to Klever Beauty Box for sending this to me. Y'all, like I said, I have a discount code and I'll have their website below if you'd like to go check them out and see about it and see if you like it. And thanks for stopping by, y'all. And thank you to Klever Beauty Box. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.